Hi everyone, this is Alvin Buwak and welcome back to my channel. So before anything else, I would like to invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that if we have new videos, you will be notified. So what we will do for today is that I'm going to unbox the package I got from Oxecure, and I'm so excited about this because you know, yung mga pimples natin, gusto kong iwaksi ito sa buhay ko. So, I guess you have an idea of what product we are going to review for today. So, it's a beauty product actually I got from Oxecure, and I bought this from Shopee. So, very affordable lang siya guys because they are on sale, especially that we are on holiday season. So grab the opportunity guys. So bumili na kayo sa Oxecure. So I'm so excited about this. So let's get it on. So here na yung package guys. So COD ito. So hindi ko maalala. Basta 1,000 plus ito. So yan. Let's unbox this. Pero naka-cellophane siya. Anong tawag dito? Uncellophane ba ang tawag dito? Uncellophane. Charot. So, gisiyo na ako siya. Ginagisi na lang na ako siya guys. Kay, I have, I'm not so patient pag ganyan. Wow, naka-bubble wrap pa talaga siya. Ayan. So, I'm so excited to see this. Ayan, ito na. So, it's an acne solution. Acne solution, guys. So, it's a complete starter kit. Ayan. However, meron akong dinagdag na na product. So, it's ito. Kasi hindi siya kasali sa starter kit. So, dinagdag ko itong ano ba ito? So, yung mud ba ito? Yan. Acne Clear Powder Mud. Yan, Acne Clear Powder Mud. Hindi siya mag-focus. Ayan. So, ano ito siya guys? Ano siya? It's an Acne Clear Powder Mud. So, it's dermatologically tested. And it's for acne prone skin. Since I'm acne prone skin kasi oily yung skin ko. Ayan. So, ito, binili ko rin siya. So, naka-state dito na it quickly dries out acne, visibly fades post-acne scars, and controls excess oil while nourishing your skin. So, I hope na mawawala na nito ang mga impurities sa mukha ko. Kaysa tinuod lang, I have used many products, then hindi pa talaga siya nawawala. So, I guess, sabi ng mga friends ko, dapat mag-stick lang daw ako. Pero, ewan ko, parang may ano ako na, ay di ko ganahan ani. So, I need to try something new na naman. So, I bought 2 of this. Ayan. Dalawa siya. Ito na! I'm so excited! Thank you, Oxecure, for your, sale. Pero, disclaimer guys, pero this is not, this is not, mang tawag dun sa mga vloggers. This is not funded or anything. Yeah. And if you want to know how to use this one, meron silang procedure on how to apply the products inside sa face mo. So so meron itong mga steps guys. We have step 1, step 2 for facial acne essentials, and for body acne essentials meron din siyang steps to follow. So now let's take a look kung ano ang nasa loob nitong box. Yan. So, instant results daw siya within 6 hours. So, let's see if it will really work nga sa mukha natin, guys. Mawawala na yung mga impurities natin sa mga mukha natin. Oh my God. And ito na siya. So, let's, kunin na natin kung ano na nasa loob. So, first one, ito muna ang kukunin natin. So, this is a facial liquid cleanser. It's a facial liquid cleanser guys. So it's 100 ml siya. So dermatologically tested. So it reduces the accumulation of bacteria control excess oil to prevent new acne, and visibly fades acne scar. So it's parang pag nung nabasa ko yung yung effect niya, so it does not only remove the bacteria and excess oil sa face mo, and it also somehow visibly fades your acne scars. So I have acne scars I got from my previous breakout. So yeah, so I also want to remove this. So kaya this will really help me sa aim ko na yun. So I hope na this will really help me talaga. Oxecure. So next would be this. Ito. Yan. Ito siya, guys. So it's a sulfur soap. So I usually use sulfur soap aside sa beauty soap ko. Kay sabi ng ko dati yung, kasi guys, naka-experience na rin ako na lumapit sa mga beauty centers. So I'm also a fan of Bio Essence sa Davao. So doon ako sa dati sa SM Lanang second floor. SM Lanang second floor. Andun ang Bio Essence. However, since COVID ngayon, hindi ako makapunta doon. Pero matagal na yun, guys, kaya nagka-breakout na ako. Ito ang laman niya. Maliit lang siya. Pero nabasa ko sa mga ibang reviews na kahit maliit siya, hindi siya madaling maubos. So, ayun. So, it's 30 grams. 30 grams siya, guys. So, sabi dito, it deeply cleanses the skin, helps control excess oil, and visibly minimizes pores, reduces the accumulation of bacteria, fights acne, and visibly fades leftover scars and dark spots for brighter and healthier looking results. Oh my god, these statements are very promising, no? So, I hope that this will really work sa case ko. So, it's 2.5% sulfur, and it's for both face and body. Yan, so it's for oily facial skin and even skin tone and body odor. So, okay. So, it's good for body odor pala sa'yo. Diyan sa may mga putok sa kilikili, so you can also use this sulfur soap. Yan, so I hope that this will really help you guys. So, direction for use. So, first, you have to wash your face and body with this soap and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off with water. Ayun. Rinse off with water, guys. Ayan siya. So, then, afterwards, ito na isa. Ayan, ito na siya, guys. So, ito is Body Acne Spray. Okay, it's for, I guess it's para ito sa mga acne dito sa likod, no? Especially dun sa mga lalaki. I guess sila yung maraming lalaki yung mas maraming kaming mga lalaki ang may mga maraming bugas sa likod. So, ang indication niya, yun nga, So, ang work niya, guys, so it helps reduce the accumulation of bacteria, quickly dries out acne, exfoliates dead skin, visibly fades post-acne marks, minimizes the appearance of pores, and controls excess oil while nourishing skin for smoother and brighter looking results without the irritation. So, it's good na, ang lahat ng mga products nila, kasali nila yung pag-fade ng mga acne scars. Because aside from removing our acne, so the very challenge is how are we going to remove the scars, no? The traces of our breakouts. Kasi yun naman talaga ang gusto natin mawala din, di ba? Yung mga traces to forget past and so on, and so that we can move on and have a greater life. Charot. And have a greater life with our fairer and blemish-free skin. Charot. So, yun, guys. So, directions for use. You have to cleanse the skin and pat dry, spray onto the affected area, and leave on without rinsing. Use twice daily. day and night. So, gagamitin mo ito twice daily. So, sa umaga at saka sa gabi. And meron pang isa, pang ano kasi siya, na dislocation. So, this is the Acne Clear Potion. Wow! So, this is Acne Clear Potion. Paano ba ito gamitin? So, this is for acne-prone skin. Directions for you. So, cleanse the affected areas and pat dry. Dip a cotton bud into the pink powder layer. Apply onto affected areas. Use nightly. Do not shake the bottle. Okay, do not shake the bottle. If the potion is mixed, let it stand until the pink powder settles at the bottom. Okay. So, hindi pala siya i-shake, guys. Hindi siya i-shake. Okay. So, hintayin mo pala siya para let it stand until the pink powder. So, ito na guys, ang mga products ng Oxecure. Una, may sabon sila, may facial liquid cleanser, may body acne spray, and then may acne clear potion din sila. So, all in all, inside this box, we have 4 products. However, sabi ko nga kanina, meron akong meron akong gustong product nila na hindi kasali sa product starter kit. So, we have this acne clear powder mud. So, I guess this will also help me in this, journey towards removing these impurities on my face. Ayan. So, yun lang guys, ang pag-unbox natin nitong Oxecure na mga products natin. So, let me have at least 2 weeks of experiencing these products so that I can give you a more effective review. So that's it for today guys. So yun ang unboxing natin sa ating Oxecure product. So I hope that I was able to deliver it well, although this is my first unboxing ever. So I hope that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and stay put for our new videos soon. So I hope that I can also deliver a lot of videos. So since I have nothing to do na this holiday season, so after 2 weeks, gagawa ako ng review on my 2 weeks usage of the product na in-unbox ko, which is the Oxecure para sa acne natin guys. So yun lang. God bless and Happy New Year in advance and Merry Christmas. Bye!